Dear students, for the BCOM final year, just now, maybe on 20th, there may be CAB exam. And the BCOM final year subject, CAB, is on Tally. And in that, there is one case study for the 15 marks. And it contains journal entry problem. And it is a compulsory question for the final year student. And there are so many requests from the students for the case study problem. So, I will solve this case study of April 2018 question paper. So the question is 12th question in that question paper. Even if you have, you can hold that question paper. And the question is, give journal entries, identify groups, ledger and vouchers in a tabular form for the following transactions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 questions are there. And the serial number, date and the transaction they have mentioned. So we have to take serial number first. We will use one small space for this one. It is serial number. Then date. Then ledger. And then group. And then voucher. And then debit, and then credit. So, in a tabular, in the sense, you have to take a table for that thing. So, the first question, serial number 1, is 1/5/2017. Mr. Anil Kumar commenced business with capital of rupees 50 lakh. So here, Anil Kumar is the proprietor. He has invested 50 lakhs rupees in the business. So we need two ledgers. One is cash. Another one is Anil Kumar's capital account. Anil Kumar's capital account. So the date you can put 1/5/2017. Now the cash group is cash in hand. It is a subgroup of current asset. Anil Kumar's capital account comes under capital account. And the voucher, the cash is coming into the business, so the voucher is receipt. And the shortcut key for that one is F6. And for the cash, 50 lakhs debit, 50 lakhs debit, and for the Anil Kumar, 50 lakhs credit. So the one entry is over. And this one entry carries 1.5 marks. Totally 15 marks. And the second one. Second entry is for the 11/5/2017, cash deposited into bank rupees 5 lakh. So we need two ledgers. One is bank account. And while writing journal entries, we have to take debit entries first. So bank account first and then cash. Bank account comes under group bank account, that is a subgroup of current asset, and the cash comes under cash in hand, that is subgroup of current asset. There are 6 subgroups in current asset. Now it is an internal adjustment between cash and bank account, so we will call this entry as contra. we need contra voucher. And the shortcut key F4. And the amount is 5 lakh. So 5 lakh debit and 5 lakh credit. So the second entry is over. Just put one line and then take third entry. Third entry is on 28/5/2017. Purchased furniture for rupees 2 lakh. So we have to take furniture account and the mode is not mentioned, then take cash. If the mode is not mentioned from where it has taken, cash or bank, then directly you have to take cash account. Furniture account, cash account. Furniture account comes under fixed asset. And the cash comes under cash in hand. Even though it is repeated, every time you have to write the group for the cash. Cash, cash in hand. And the voucher is, we are paying amount to purchase furniture. So, the voucher is payment, F5 is a shortcut key. And the amount is 2 lakh debit for the furniture and 2 lakh credit for the cash. So third entry is over. Then the fourth entry. So the fourth entry is 10/6/2017. Purchased goods for rupees 4 lakh. Purchased goods for rupees 4 lakh. Then you have to take goods purchase account. And then the mode is not mentioned, you can take cash. Goods purchase account under purchase account. That means the group is purchase account. And cash, once again, cash in hand. And the voucher is purchase. And the shortcut key is F9. And goods purchase account amount is 10 lakh. And here amount is 10 lakh. So the fourth entry is over. Then the fifth one. Fifth entry is 12/7/2017. Purchased goods from Mr. Shekhar on credit for rupees 10 lakh. Here, once again, we will take goods purchase account, just like above entry. But instead of cash, here they specifically mention on credit from Mr. Shekhar. So, Shekhar's account. And goods purchase account, once again under purchase account. Shekhar's account, it is one type of short-term liability or current liability. For that thing we can mention sundry creditors as a group. Now, goods purchase account debit, that is here the amount is 4 lakh. And here purchase account, again purchase. And the shortcut key is F9. Now the amount is 10 lakh. Okay, these are the 5 entries. Now we will go to 6th entry. 6th one, 18/9/2017. sold goods for rupees 6 lakh. The party is not mentioned as well as through which mode. So directly we will take cash. We will take it as a cash sales. So cash under cash in hand and goods sales account. Goods sales account under sales account. And the voucher is sales and the shortcut key is F8, and for cash account debit 6 lakh and for good sales account 6 lakh credit. So 6th entry is over. 7th one, 25/11/2017 sold goods to Mr. Satvik on credit rupees 3 lakh. Again, on the debit side we will place debtor's name, Satvik account under sundry debtor. So customers we will take it as a sundry debtors. So Satvik account under sundry debtor, and then goods sales account under sales account, and the voucher is sales again, and the shortcut key F8. Now the amount is 3 lakh. Mention 3 lakh here. Now 7th entry is over. Put one line and take 8th entry. 8th entry is 15/12/2017. 15/12/2017. Cash received from Mr. Satvik rupees 3 lakh. Now cash account and Satvik account. And we are taking amount into the business, so we will consider voucher as receipt F6, and the Satvik account. So we have to mention group here. So cash under cash in hand, and Satvik account again the same thing, sundry debtors. And the voucher is receipt F6, and the amount received is 3 lakh. Okay, 8th entry is over. Then the 9th entry, 2/1/2018, rent paid rupees 1 lakh. So rent paid account, and then the mode is not mentioned, we have to take it as a cash. So rent paid account under indirect expense. It is considered as administration expense or office expense. We will take it as an indirect expense, and the cash under cash in hand. And we are paying the amount, so we will take it as a payment. And the shortcut key is F5. And the rent paid account 1 lakh debit, and for cash account 1 lakh credit. So the 9th entry is over. The 10th entry, 10/3/2018, salary paid to Mr. Nagaraj rupees 2 lakh. So salary to Nagaraj Even the salary account is also okay. But even though if you mention name, no problem. Salary to Nagaraj account and then cash. Salary is one type of indirect expense. And the cash in hand. And the voucher is payment. Shortcut key is F5. And the paid salary paid is 2 lakh. So the 10th entry is over. In this way, you have to solve the case study. And the total marks for this case study is 15. And it is a compulsory question. You have to write the case study. You have to solve the case study. Just I will give an example for one question. So there is one question here. What are groups? And how you will write the answers for this one. What are groups? So groups are special things in Tally to pass ledgers to balance sheet or P&L account. There are 28 groups in that 15 main groups and 13 subgroups. In this way you have to write answers. So write neat and clear answers. Write neatly and the clear, point to point. Okay? Thank you. All the best for your exams.